ये तस्वीर है जादू के लम्हों की, मेरे दिल के सभी कतरों की। मेरे दिल की ये बगिया है जो इस गुलशन की कलिया है, यहाँ हर फूल 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 ब्यूटीफुल। मेरे दिन है और रतिया है, सुकून वाली ये निंदिया है, यहाँ हर पल 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 ब्यूटीफुल। ये तस्वीर है ख्वाबों के रंगों की, खुशियों की, सपनों की, अपनों की। ये तस्वीर है जादू के लम्हों की, मेरे दिल के सभी कतरों की। मेरे दिल की ये बगिया है जो इस गुलशन की कलिया है, यहाँ हर फूल 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 ब्यूटीफुल। मेरे दिन है और रतिया है, सुकून वाली ये निंदिया है, यहाँ हर पल 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 ब्यूटीफुल। ये तस्वीर है ख्वाबों के रंगों की, खुशियों की, सपनों की, अपनों की। ये तस्वीर है जादू के लम्हों की, मेरे दिल के सभी कतरों की। मेरे दिल की ये बगिया है जो इस गुलशन की कलिया है, यहाँ हर फूल 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 ब्यूटीफुल। मेरे दिन है और रतिया है, सुकून वाली ये निंदिया है, यहाँ हर पल 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 ब्यूटीफुल। ये तस्वीर है ख्वाबों के रंगों की, खुशियों की, सपनों की, अपनों की। ये तस्वीर है जादू के लम्हों की, मेरे दिल के सभी कतरों की। मेरे दिल की ये बगिया है जो इस गुलशन की कली।
APTL Construction, Star Electronics, Dabzi Tissues, Suryoday Bajaj, Physiofit, DNA Infotel Private Limited, Form, Pink Salt Cafe, CLC Abroad, Alex Arena, Divine Gold.
Come on, referees to take
Acura
charge.
Velka.
Chulna FC versus Jew Boys. Referees,
Sogno Farm.
lot many matches to happen. Please, that's a request. Handful of referees to all the referees out here. I know, we know that you all are doing a good job, but then get it going. Yeah, this warm-up practice is not going to happen. They have to play in the game. Show your skills in the game, not now. Whistle, get going. Come on. Thank you, referees. Thank you so much. All smiles. They understand, they know what we are going through. Yeah. It goes up till 12:30 in the morning, and that's not done. We have to finish this by 10 o'clock. We've got 3 finals today. Under 14, above 35, and the open category.
And that's the start of this match played between Jew Boys and Chulna FC. The action straight away. Kalina Rangers backed out, and that's the reason that Chulna FC got this opportunity to participate in this tournament.
That is an awesome team, Kalina Rangers. Paging for Raj. Paging for Raj. Raj, if you are on, please come to the technical table.
Corner for the Jew Boys. Number 4 on the right. That's a good one. That was an opportunity for the Jew Boys to score. Goal kick for Chulna FC. Jew Boys. Can he do it? Nicely blocked. Once again blocked, and ball goes out of play. It's going to be a corner. Corner for the Jew Boys. This is the second corner. That's a beauty by Chulna goalkeeper. Very quick to pass it. Chulna FC on the run on the right. Can he do it? That's in, but it's wide. Number 14. Absolutely off the target. And it's going to be a goal kick. Taken very quickly. Number 4 looking for a man. On the far right. Jew Boys passing very well, very accurate, very fast, I will say. (27) on the left. Well, it's nicely anticipated, and the ball goes out of play. It's going to be another corner for Jew Boys. Well, that had absolutely no direction, just kicked to nowhere. Goal kick for Chulna. That's a good one. Nice header on the right. Can he get it? He has it, but once again Chulna, but cleared away. Jew Boys wasting no time. I think Chulna has to be a little quicker and they have to materialize on the passes. Throw in for Chulna. Number 10. The man in red, number 14, number 6. Well, what a beauty. It could have been goal number 1. Chulna putting quite pressure on the Jew boys. Just over the crossbar.
Check. The captain of Fishermen Boys. Captain of Fishermen Boys, a promising player. Please come forward. Captain of Fishermen Boys, please come here to my left for the promising player. And we've got Prakash Almeida who is going to hand over the memento to you. Prakash Almeida to hand over the memento to you. And the captain of Fishermen Boys, join us as soon as possible.
Chulna FC. Chulna FC claiming for a handball. Referee says play on. Once again, the man in red.
The lone man in red. Captain of Fishermen Boys, please join us here. And
Well, that was quite
we got
advanced.
Blaze, yeah? Blaze is going to handle. Blaze Pinto, the eligible bachelor. Yeah, Blaze Pinto is going to hand over the prize to the captain of Fishermen Boys.
Chulna. Well, pass to nobody. Goes out of play and quickly taken into the hands of the goalkeeper of Chulna FC.
Come, Blaze, we've got this. Yeah, please go and collect the memento for us. The captain of Fishermen Boys, go on the stage. Blaze, do the honors. Cameraman, get ready. From all the angles.
Chulna on the attack.
What a shot!
What a goal!
What a goal!
Well, he got the Jew boys fooled.
Man!
Absolutely fooled.
Jew boys.
Jew boys were taken by surprise.
They were watching daffodils.
They were looking. They thought that he would give a pass.
This is football. Eye on the ball, eye on the wall. This was ball on the eye.
Well, I always say, don't
This
play
was
football.
ball on the eye.
Yeah, Edward.
Yeah?
I always say, don't play football. Think
Yeah.
football.
Think football, yes. Because when you're playing, you're not on the ground.
Eat football, sleep football, and dream football.
And repeat. Next match, JKFC versus Thembi FC. Thembi FC versus JKFC. Come on.
Jew boys. Well, that's it. They have done it. The Jew boys have given their answer. The Jew boys have answered to the goal of the Chulna FC, and now both the teams are leveled 1-1. This is a very interesting match. I think this is the fastest match of this morning. Both the teams very, very aggressive, very fast, very quick.
JKFC and Thembi FC get set. If you're kit up, get your picture done. Your match is next. We're going to have a short break, I believe. Yeah, because the teams from Bombay, we got a mega block today.
Well, here. And it's going to be a free kick for the Jew boys right outside, just outside the penalty box. A real opportunity. Can they convert this? Well, that was wild, wild. That's what we call in football. Lot of pot shots here. That's the whistle for the half time. Both the teams leveled at 1 goal each. Caribbean music.
JKFC versus Tembe FC. If you're kit up, come forward in front of the
Jadhav Sports Arena.
stage out there and get your picture done.
Brian Menezes. Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament powered by Wellspun Living, co-powered by Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, in association with Baseen Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Bastion, MBR Constructions, Samaira Construction, JC Fabricators, Sagar Construction, Vikas Chicken Center, Kinara Fine Dine, Cafe Relish, VV Decorators, Mendonsa's Farm Stay, Kotak Life Insurance, RST Enterprises, Shri Vijay Govind Patil, Viva Homes, Leo Oxygen, Regency Homes, Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament. Special thanks to Jude Dominic De Mello, Olvin Gonsalves.
Well, the match you're watching, Chulna FC versus Jew Boys, both team goal, 1-1 here. We've got the Bipcha. The Bipcha on the ground, he comes every day. This was a jungle once upon a time. There you go. Thank you. Thank you for joining us and showing your presence out here. Okay, Jew Boys versus Chulna FC, both team 1 goal each. We're going to about to start the second half.
Jew Boys. That's a good cross to the left. Jew Boys still in position. Shot at the goal. Well, that was an opportunity just to flick it inside. There is some. Well, it's going to be a corner. It's going to be a corner. Referee's decision is going to be the final one. Corner for the Jew boys. As I said, it's going to be a action-packed day. That's beautifully punched. Ball goes out of play and it's going to be a throw-in for the Jew boys. In the second half, Jew boys mounting. It's a foul throw. Jew boys. That's inside. And the ball goes out of play. It's going to be a goal kick for Chulna. Jew boys. That's a nice one, but still in position. And there you have the man in red. Jew boys. Wow, what footwork. Well, number 17 to the rescue. Beautiful header cleared away. It was a very beautiful shot by number 16. There's another one. Well, almost got my head. Well, I will say this is the fastest match of this morning, or I will say the fastest match of this tournament. All youngsters, real energetic. Once again, Chulna FC on the move. The man in red. Wow, what a save. What a save. And it's beautifully cleared away. No, it's still... No, there's the whistle. It's going to be a free kick for Jew boys. This is really, really spectacular. Number 11 there on the left. Jew boys. That is cleared away, but it's going to be a throw-in for Jew boys. Well, absolutely no power. There's a warning for the Jew boys. That's Jew boys for you. Well, nicely headed. collected by the goalkeeper of the Jew boys. Number 27. Jew boys on the attack, but nicely tackled by the Chulna team. Ball goes out of play. It's going to be a throw in. Throw in for the Jew boys. Both the teams desperate, absolutely trying their best to take the lead. Score 1-all. Both the goals were scored in the first half. Jew boys once again. That's a beautiful one. Well, there is a claim for a corner, but referee says no. It is going to be a goal kick. Jew boys, number 17. On to the left. That's a lovely one inside. And we have once again the man in red. They managed to keep it inside. Jew boys once again. Still in position. Well, that's a claim. There's some rough play and the referee has got the card. It's going to be a free kick. Free kick for Chulna FC. A real opportunity now. A real opportunity for game over. Well, they have missed it. They have missed their opportunity. The next match, JKFC and Tembi FC. That was very close. That was very close. The man in red. The man to be watched. Number 14. Both the teams, very young players, very energetic, very quick. Well, that goes out of play. It's going to be a throw in for Chulna. Jew boys from the left. Well, goal kick. That was a beautiful that's in false shot way above. There were two Jew boys there, but the ball went over both of them. Time running out for both the teams. Well, the managed no. Throw in for Ju. Chance for Chulna. Well, what a defense. 27 to the rescue. Just denies him of a opportunity to score. And it's going to be a corner. Corner to be taken by number 17 of Chulna. It's not a corner, it's a throw in. And that's the end of the match, with both the teams at 1-1. Both the goals scored in the first half. There were no goals in the second half, and I think they are going into the tiebreaker.
Vinay Maskarnis, Snehal Joseph Menezes, Hotel Haridwar, Manikpur Urban Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Vishal Jewellers, Kamat Wines, VV Decorators. Thank you to our associate sponsors, the Wasin Juice Company, OHS
next match,
Engineering,
JKFC and Tembi
Jovi
FC.
Boutique,
Please come to the podium for a
Flux
photograph.
Media and Communications,
Photographer.
EG Enterprises, Evelyn's Kitchen, Kletos, APTL Construction, Star Electronics, Dabsy Tissues, Suryodey Bajaj,
Tembi FC, please come to the podium for a picture.
PhysioFit,
Tembi FC,
DNA Infotel Private
please
Limited,
come to the podium for a
Form.
photograph.
Pink Salt Cafe, CLC Abroad, Alex Arena, Divine Gold, Acura Elcut, Sogno Farm, Jadhav Sports Arena, Brian Menezes.
The next match is going to be between JKFC and Tembi FC, and that's going to be the last match of this morning before the break. And here we begin the tiebreaker, the penalty shootout between Jew Boys and Chulna. The first penalty to be taken by the Jew Boys. That's a good one. The goalkeeper going in the wrong direction. Tembi FC, Chulna with their first penalty. That finds the net. That finds the net. A real good one. Jew boys to take their second penalty. What a beauty. Real clean. No chance to the goalkeeper. Chulna to take their second. Wow, that was a beauty. The goalkeeper did go in the right direction, but could not stop it. That was clean, very clean. Jew boys. Chulna to take the third. And he has missed it. What a beautiful save by the goalkeeper. Fantastic job, and Chulna has missed. They have scored. They have scored. The goalkeeper did go in the right direction, but unable to stop it. And now we have to see what Chulna can do. They just cannot afford to miss. They cannot.
Hello, mic test.
That's it. That was a beauty.
Hello.
Hello. Can Chulna save this? That's a goal, and Ju has scored all their goals, and they move into the tournament, and Chulna has to say bye-bye. Very good performance by Chulna. Really, congratulations. See you next year with a better performance. And the next match is going to be between JKFC and Tembi FC.
Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament powered by Wellspun Living, co-powered by Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, in association with Baseen Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Bastion, MBR Constructions, Samaira Construction, JC Fabricators, Sagar Construction, Vikas Chicken Center, Kinara Fine Dine, Cafe Relish, VV Decorators, Mendonsa's Farm Stay, Kotak Life Insurance, RST Enterprises, Shri Vijay Govind Patil, Viva Homes, Leo Oxygen, Regency Homes, Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament. Special thanks to Jude Dominic De Mello, Olvin Gonçalves, Mickey Menezes, Vinay Mascarnes, Snehal Joseph Menezes, Hotel Haridwar, Manikpur Urban Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Vishal Jewellers, Kamat Wines, VV Decorators. Thank you to our associate sponsors, the Baseen Juice Company, OHS Engineering, Jovi Boutique, Flux Media and Communications, EG Enterprises, Evelyn's Kitchen, Kletos, APTL Construction, Star Electronics, Dabsy Tissues, Suryodey Bajaj, Physiofit, DNA Infotel Private Limited. Form, Pink Salt Cafe, CLC Abroad, Alex Arena, Divine Gold, Acura Elcut, Sogno Farm, Jadhav Sports Arena. Brian Menezes. Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament powered by Wellspun Living, co-powered by Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, in association with Baseen Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Bastion, MBR Constructions, Samaira Construction, JC Fabricators, Sagar Construction, Vikas Chicken Center, Kinara Fine Dine, Cafe Relish, VV Decorators, Mendonsa's Farm Stay, Kotak Life Insurance, RST Enterprises, Shri Vijay Govind Patil, Viva Homes, Leo Oxygen, Regency Homes, Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament. Special thanks to Jude Dominic De Mello, Olvin Gonsalves, Mickey Menezes, Vinay Mascarnes, Snehal Joseph Menezes, Hotel Haridwar, Manikpur Urban Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Vishal Jewelers, Kamat Wines,
I believe the Tembi team is here.
VV
Come on.
Decorators.
JKFC versus Tembi. Can we get the game going?
Thank you
Referees, you have
to
a
our
break, have your
associate
lunch.
sponsors, the Baseen Juice
No sooner
Company,
you see the team ready, you have to rush.
OHS Engineering,
Space it out. Two
Joey Boutique,
members of the referee. Space it out.
Flux
eat,
Media
get
and
ready.
Communications,
Lot many matches to be
EG
happened
Enterprises,
till the night today.
Evelyn's Kitchen, Kletos, APTL Construction, Star Electronics, Dabsy Tissues, Suryodey Bajaj, Physiofit, DNA Infotel Private Limited, Form, Pink Salt Cafe, CLC Abroad, Alex Arena, Divine Gold, Acura Elcut, Sogno Farm, Jadhav Sports Arena. Brian Menezes. Jesus
JKFC
Art
versus
Foundation
Tembi FC.
19th Annual Football Tournament
Time to move in.
powered by Wellspun Living, co-powered by Bahujan Vikas Aghadi, in association with Baseen Catholic Cooperative Bank Limited, Bastion, MBR Constructions, Samaira Construction, JC Fabricators, Sagar Construction, Vikas Chicken Center, Kinara Fine Dine, Cafe Relish, VV Decorators, Mendonsa's Farm Stay, Kotak Life Insurance, RST Enterprises, Shri Vijay Govind Patil, Viva Homes, Leo Oxygen, Regency Homes, Jesus Art Foundation 19th Annual Football Tournament. Special thanks to Jude Dominic De Mello, Olvin Gonçalves, Mickey Menezes, Vinay Mascarenhas, Snehal Joseph Menezes, Hotel Haridwar, Manikpur Urban Cooperative Credit Society Limited, Vishal Jewellers, Kamath Wines, VV Decorators. Thank you to our associate sponsors, the Wasin Juice Company, OHS Engineering, Jovi Boutique, Flux Media and Communications, EG Enterprises, Evelyn's Kitchen, Kletos, APTL Construction, Star Electronics, Dabsy Tissues, Suryodey Bajaj, PhysioFit, DNA Infotel Private Limited, Form, Pink Salt Cafe, CLC Abroad, Alex Arena, Divine Gold, Acura Elcut, Sogno Farm, Jadhav Sports Arena, Brian Menezes.
Come on, referees, please take charge. Come on, JKFC is already on the ground, I believe. Come on, Thembi, Shigravangama, join us. That is in Tamil. Join us as soon as possible.
Jesus Art Foundation 19th
Back-to-back
Annual Football
matches. We're gonna
Tournament,
breaks out here.
powered by Wellspun Living,
Referees, send your two best men.
co-powered by Bahujan.
ये
Rest and relax.
तस्वीर है ख्वाबों के रंगों की, खुशियों की, सपनों की,
Get
अपनों
cruising, get
की।
cruising. I believe all the referees are eating at you. Come on, referees. This is
जादू
not
के
time.
लम्हों की, मेरे दिल के
Y'all need to
सभी
space it out.
कतरों की, मेरे दिल की ये बगिया है, जो इस गुलशन की गलियां है, यहाँ हर फूल 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 ब्यूटीफुल, मेरे दिन है और रतिया है, सुकून वाली
If you have not taken a picture, please come. The photographer is waiting out here. Please come.
ये तस्वीर है ख्वाबों के रंगों की, खुशियों की, सपनों की, अपनों की। ये तस्वीर है जादू के लम्हों की, मेरे दिल के
MBFC,
सभी
please come
कतरों
forward and
की।
take your picture.
मेरे दिल की ये बगिया
Photographer is
है,
waiting.
जो इस गुलशन की गलियां
It's all
है,
ready.
यहाँ हर फूल
Zoom it
फूल
out.
फूल फूल ब्यूटीफुल, मेरे दिन है और रतिया है, सुकून वाली ये निंदिया है, यहाँ हर पल 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 ब्यूटीफुल। ख्वाबों के रंगों की, खुशियों की, सपनों की, अपनों की। ये तस्वीर है जादू के लम्हों की, मेरे दिल के सभी कतरों की।
NBFC, come on.
मेरे दिल
Get
की
set.
ये बगिया है जो इस गुलशन की कलियां है, यहाँ हर फूल फूल फूल
Take a
फूल
picture.
ब्यूटीफुल। मेरे दिन है और रतिया है,
Referees are lightning calls for referees.
यहाँ हर पल पल पल
You're interested in going the match right up to 12 o'clock tonight. Finish by 10, go home and relax. In fact, you all should be speeding it up. But then come on. Good time to start the match. Pre-lunch session. Tembe FC versus JKFC.